Like, you're not doing this today. Like, today is one take, one take.
Hi guys, welcome back for another video. So today is going to be all about deep conditioning. As you can see, I got my two little pigtails in. I am ready to rock and roll. But before I get into it, I gotta give a special shout out to my cousin Tay. I just received my crop hoodie in the mail and I am so excited, guys. I'm so proud of her. She started her own branding company and this is one of the merch from her line. You can see that it's got this cute little crop detail and on it it says, "I pop my shit and do yoga." I also received a little thank you card with my hoodie and I'm so stoked because I love little stuff like this. Like, it just brightens my day. On the front of it, it says thank you. And then on the inside, it has all of her information, you know, the balanceandblow.com, the Balance and Blow, her IG page, and then also the balanceandblow@gmail.com if you want to hit her up for, you know, your merch. So it says, "I pop my shit and ... fill in the blank. Paint the narrative of your own story. This year is bound to pop my shit in as many ways as possible. I can't thank you enough for supporting my dreams." You know, Tay, I think this is absolutely amazing. Like, I love that you're doing this and I love your merch. The material is so soft. It feels so good. Definitely gonna be my favorite cropped hoodie. I can tell you that now. And yeah, so guys, please follow her IG. You know, get some merch, pop your shit and do a little yoga. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey guys, so today's video is gonna be all about deep conditioning. I'm so excited to show you guys my routine on how to get those curls back popping. I highly recommend getting some hair clips. This is just gonna be super easy for keeping everything nicely tucked and out of the way. As you guys can see, I got my hair separated in my two sections. This is just what's really easy for me when it comes to applying the product. So I'm going in with the star of the show, my Shea Moisture Jamaican and Black Castor Oil Treatment Mask. I absolutely love this deep conditioner, guys. It never does me wrong. So if you're looking for something that is just going to have your hair feeling super soft and bouncy, this is definitely the product for you. When I tell you guys, this mask is my holy grail, ride or die. I mean, what's not to love? It has organic shea butter in it, which we know deeply moisturizes those strands. We got a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil. It's loaded down with the protein and the vitamin E. And then we also have some peppermint, which adds a nice little tingle to the scalp. So this is definitely one you guys got to check out and give a try. Shea Moisture is known for just having amazing lines when it comes to their products, so definitely explore and give the brand a try. So guys, here I'm just going through and applying the product to my hair. I love to start from the back and work my way to the front, and then in each section I like to take it from my ends to my roots. And I know my ends are looking a little raggedy, but I went through and actually trimmed them once I realized how bad they looked. And I didn't get it on video, so if that is something that you guys are interested in seeing, let your girl know down in the comments, and I can definitely do a how to trim your ends at home video. So guys, I'm pretty much going to be doing this same thing throughout my entire head. So I'm just going to let the music play and maybe fast forward it a little bit so I'm not boring you guys. And yeah, I'll be back in a flash. So guys, I'm sure you can tell by the look on my face that I am loving my results so far. Had to do my little victory dance because I feel like it's going to be a great wash and go. But now I'm going to move on to my deep oil treatment. I love to do this when my hair feels a little bit on the dry side. Here I'm taking a few drops of the Africa's Best Herbal Oil, a little bit of that Jamaican black castor oil, and then also some honey. Guys, if your ends are feeling a little bit on the brittle side, I highly recommend giving this herbal oil combination a try. It is just so amazing to use. It adds that extra shine in your hair, and then that honey is going to add some softness as well. And then if you haven't tried the Africa's Best, it is so good. I mean, it's under $5. It has all of the natural oils that you're looking for in one bottle. So definitely give it a try. I use mine because it's not super thick, 1 to 2 times throughout a week. And then I see amazing results. My ends, they don't look dry, they don't look brittle. And I know that can be a struggle for us naturals out there. So please give it a try if you haven't already. And then if this is one of your staples or your favorites, please comment down below. I would love to know who's already using this. I then put it in the microwave for about a minute, possibly 2, depending on your watts, and then just apply it to your hair the same way you do your conditioner. Again, I like to go from the back and work my way to the front, start from my ends up to my roots. Scalp massagers are the absolute best. Guys, if you have not caught on to this wave, you do not know what you're missing. Oh my gosh, please go out to your local Walmart, your Target, heck, even Amazon and order you one today. It is so relaxing. It just adds that extra soothing effect, and it opens that scalp and lets all that goodness right on in. This is my steamer. I love my freaking steamer. So guys, that's my song because this changed my life. I give most of my hair curl credit to this steamer. It is bomb, okay? I got this guy from Amazon. And I decided to get a steamer because my hair shaft has a very hard time taking in products without the use of heat. So I was sold when I saw that I could get this steamer on Amazon for under $100. It just makes my life so much easier, and I just love it, guys. If you're having a hard time with retaining product on your hair, or when you use your products you find that it sits on top of your hair, try using heat or steam from your shower to open up your hair shafts a little more. It will change your life. So my steamer is set to a timer. All I have to do is fill it up with water and it lets me know when it's time. And all I do is just, you know, get on Instagram, play some funky little game to pass my time. So your girl is fresh from under the steamer, and I must say I feel like I got really good results. You know, I can really tell that my curls are popping. I have no product on it right now. This is just my hair in its natural state. I can already tell it's starting to dry. My hair dries really fast when it doesn't have any product in it. So overall, I think my hair came out good. And yeah, I absolutely love this method. This is what I've been doing. I want to say for like the past year, maybe even a little bit longer. The steamer has totally changed up my whole hair game, and it is going to be a staple in everything that I do. And yeah, guys, these are the results that I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please hit that thumbs up if you guys would like to see an actual styling video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on IG. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.